All right, when I move under this sound, I'm going to say it. So just listen to me and watch. Get ready, Mrs. Williams. All right, it's your turn. Get ready. Good. Nice job saying. All right, do it one more time. Get ready. Nice job saying. All right, now when I move under a picture, you're gonna do this. You'll do exactly what this picture shows. Hold it until I move to the next picture. Then you'll do exactly what this picture shows. Hold that until I pop it back to the beginning, and then you'll stop. All right, so get ready. Hopefully when my finger was right here, you had your mouth open until I moved the finger to right here, at which time you should have touched your ear. And then when I got back here, you should have stopped. Try it one more time. Get ready? Nice job. When I move under something, I want you to tell me what it says. So think. Get ready? Good. Think. Get ready. Yes. All right, think. Get ready. Nice job saying Think. Get ready. Good. Think. Get ready. Yes. All right, if you got tricked, practice the sound list again. If not, well done.